children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Last session we learned about subtraction, isn't it? We completed subtraction. See, first we were learning from this book. This is old book. We were learning large numbers, addition, subtraction from this book. Now the book has been changed. See, Pearl's Mathematics we are following. So what you no need to worry, children. What you have to do, the sums what I have taught from this book is okay. You copy down the same sums what I have done in the previous sessions. You copy down in the Max notebook. And now today I am going to teach multiplication. Multiplication I am going to teach from this lesson. I am going to follow this new book. Understood, children? Okay, today what chapter we are going to learn? We are going to learn chapter 3, multiplication. We are going to learn chapter 3, multiplication. Okay, first we can know what is multiplication, children. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Understood, children? If you see, if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2, what will come? 6 will come. Likewise, see, how many 2's are there? 3 2. So 3. And what is this 3? It's the same answer. Understood, children? How many 2's? 3 2's, and this 3 2's are 6. So multiplication is a repeated addition. Repeated addition. Understood? Now we are going, all of those are having book, all of you turn to page number 41. Turn to page number 41. This A sum I am going to do. Understood? See here, choose the factors from the factor wheel. See, this is factor wheel. Understood, children? And write below the product. See, if you write means, see, if 3 into 5 means what will come? 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So, these two numbers are called factors. These two are called factors. Understood, children? These two are, what is multiple is called factors, and the answer is product. The answer is product. Understood, children? The sums, the number which you are going to multiply, the both number is called factors. The answer is a product. Understood, children? See, until you are thorough in the multiplication table, you can't do the sums. So, hereafter you learn the multiplication tables. Okay. Now choose the factors from the factor wheel and write below the product. So what are the products given? 42, 88, 36, 50. So what you have to do means, you have to find out the factor from the factor wheel. So how much, what number if you multiply, we will get 42? 7 and 6. 7, 6 are 42. What, children? 7, 6 are 42. And now 88. 88 means what number? What are the two numbers we can multiply? 11, 8. 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. And 36 means what? 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. And 50. 10 5s are 50. You can do it in the book itself, children. Those are having book, you can do it in the book itself. Understood? Okay, children. Now we'll move on to B sum. This also is in page number 41. Page number 41. This sum also in page number 41. But what you have to do, this sum you have to copy down in the classwork note. You have to copy down in the classwork note. Understood, children? Because you can't do the sums in the book. No space for it. So you have to do it in the note, classwork note. 18 into 5. 18. So you can't multiply what? Horizontally. So only I am writing for your easy to understand. I am doing like this. Understood? Okay. 5 8s are what, children? 5 8s are 40. Can you write the 40 as it is? No. What you have to do? You have to write like this and 0, and you have to bring up to here. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the answer, children? 9. So 18 5s are how much? 90. 18 5s are 90. Understood? Now coming to the second sum. 25 into 8. Again 8 5s are again 40. So what you have to write? 4 0 here and 4 you have to bring up here. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 17, 18, 19, 20. So what's the answer, children? 20 means 200. 25 8s are 200. 25 8s are 200. And the third one, 37 into 4. 4 7s are how much? 28. 4 7s are 28. And 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. So what's the answer? 148. 44 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. And 9 4s are again 36. 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. So what's the answer, children? 396. Okay, children. Now fifth one. 56 into 8. So we have written like this. 8 6 are what, children? 48. 8 6 are 48. So you have to write here and you have to bring this 4 here. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4, 41, 42, 43, 44. So what is the answer? 448. See, now I have taught 5 sums. So remaining 6, 7 and 8. You have to continuously you have to do. This 3 sums are for homework. These 3 sums are for homework. What you have to do? You have to do it in the notebook. You have to do it along with these sums you have to do. Understood, children? Will you follow it? Okay, children, now we will see, fill in the circle. See, can you see here? You have to fill in the circles. Understood? This also in page 41. You can do it in the book itself. You can do it in the book itself. Understood? Those who are not having book, you have to do it in the rough note or whatever note what you are having. Okay. Now 14 into 20. You have to see here 2 digits, but here 0 is there. So it's very easy. See, if you cover like this and if you write means 14 2s are 28 will come. Understood? Now we'll see. 4 zeros are what, children? 0. 4 zeros are 0. So what's the answer? 280. 0 0 0. And 0 ones are also 0 only. Understood, children? See, now what you have to, how you have to find out means, see, you have to cover this 0. So if you cover this 0, 10 6 are what will come, children? 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. You can bring down this 6 here. So it will, what's the answer? 600. Understood, children? See, 10 6 are 60 and you have to bring down this 0 here. The same like this only. See, if you take means 15 4s are how much? 60. 15 4s are what will come? 60. 15 4s are 60. If you bring down this 0 means what's the answer will come? 600. And here also see, 33s are how much? 33s are 90. 33s are 90. So here 9 will come. This 0 you have to bring down. So what's the answer? 900. See, for a reference I'll see. 30 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Understood? What's the answer? 90 is coming. So you have to bring down this 0 here. So 900 will come. Understood? Likewise, 3 3s are what? Now here only 1 digit is there. Here 2 digit is, here only 1 digit. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 is given here. So 3 1s are 3. So what's the answer? 369. And here 9 1s are 9. 9 0 0. And 9 1s are 9 again. So 900. See, 9 1s are 9. So what's the answer, children? 909. 909. And here 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 468. And in the 8th one, 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 means what will come? 6 you have to put here and 1 carry over. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So what's the answer, children? 768. Understood? Okay, children, now we will move on to mental maths. This is also given in page number 43. You have to do it in the book itself. Understood? No need to do it in the notebook. What all you have to do it in the book, you can do it in the book itself. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Children, 15 ones are what? 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. It's very easy table, isn't it? One table is very easy. 15 ones are 15. And see, and 27 into dash is equal to 27. What will come? 1. 27 ones are 27. When we multiply with the one, the same answer will come. Understood, children? Okay. Now here 1 dash is equal to 1. What will come? 1 into dash is equal to 1. What will come? 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. And here 14 0. 14 zeros are how much? When we multiply with 0, what will come? Only 0 will come. 14 zeros are 0 only will come. Understood? And see, 133s are 33. Here this sum 15 into 8 is equal to 8 into dash. What? See, listen carefully. 15 into 8 is equal to 8 into dash. See here, this number 8 is given here. So what number is missing here, children? What number is missing? This 15 is missing. So what you have to write here? 15. 15 8s are also same and 8 15 also same. Likewise you see 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Both are same. Likewise will you say 15 into 8 is equal to 8 into 15. Yes, now here again 4 into dash into 5 is equal to 0. What answer will come, children? Only 0 will come. See, 4 into 0, 0, 0 into 5, 0. Understood, children? 4 into 0, 0, 0 into 5, 0. And here, dash into 1 is equal to 16. So what will come? 16 into 1, 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. 0 zeros are 0. Here, 3 into 4 bracket into 2 is equal to 2 into 3 into dash. What answer will come, children? See here, this 2 is given here, this 3 is given here, and what number is missing, children? What number is missing? This 4 is missing. So what you have to write here? 4. See, 3 4s are 12, and 12 into 2, 24. See, when you write like this also, 2 3s are what will come? 2 3s are 6 will come. 6 4s are 24. The same answer. 6 4s are 24. Understood? The product is same. Only the factor is different, but the product is same. Understood? So when we put, but the number is same. See here 3 into 4. Here 2 into 3 is given. Here into 2 into 4. Then what number is missing you have to write here. Understood? The answer is same. Can you see, children? Here 4th is a 12 into 2, 24. Here 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Understood? Yes. 16 into 0 is equal to 0. Likewise, say 6 5s are how much? 6 into 5 into dash is equal to 9 into 6 into dash. See, here 6 is here, here 5 is here. But here what number is here? 9 is here and 6 is. So what you have to write? Here 9 is missing and here what number is missing? 5. 6, 5, 9. Here 9, 6, 5. Understood, children? Okay, you should copy down in the maths book. Okay, children, now we'll move on to exercise 3.1. This is in page number 44. This also you can do it in the book itself. You can do it in the book itself. Understood, children? Okay, now you have to be thorough in 4 tables. What tables you have to learn? 4 tables. So 4 6 are how much, children? 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, how much children? 13, 14. So what you have to write here? 4 and 1 here. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what's the answer? 944. And coming to the next sum. 5 3s are 15. Easy table, isn't it? 5 tables. 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So 1 you have to write and 4 you have to write here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the answer? 1415. And 7 8s are, see, when you feel the table is the 7 tables and all hard, means what you can do? You can write the tables like this. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. Understood? Like this if you write means it will be very easy. Understood? And 7 8s are 56. Understood? See now 7 8s are what will come? 7 8s are what children? 56. So what you can write? 6 here and 5 here. And 7 zeros are 0. So you have to bring down this 5 as it is. 7 3s are what? 21. You can write as it is. So what's the answer? 2156. And coming to the fourth sum, the same 7 tables. Understood? Again 7 8s are how much? 56. 7 8s are 56. So what you have to write? 6 here and you have to bring on above here. 7 zeros are, see the same sum I have written I think. Okay, let it be. I'll write another sum. Okay children, see 167 into 8. See if you write these tables like this, it will be very easy. Those who feel hard, you can write like this and you can find out the answer. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. So what you can write? 6 here and 5 here. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 3 and 5 you have to bring on above this. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what's the answer? 1336. Likewise here also the same table. 8 4s are 32. So you have to write 2 here and 3 here. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what's the answer? 9872. 9872. Okay children. See, I have 5 sums I have taught you in exercise 3.1, 6, 7 and 8 homework. In page number 41 also 3 sum I gave. That 3 sum you have to do it in the classwork note along with that sum. And these 3 sums you have to do it in the book. And you have to take a screenshot and you have to send it in Google Classroom or into my personal WhatsApp number. Understood children? If you could not send in Google Classroom, kindly send the homework in the personal WhatsApp number to me. Understood children? All will be doing this I am thinking. And in the Zoom class what I am going to do, I am going to ask you multiplication tables. Daily children you have to spend half an hour for learning multiplication tables till 2 to 12 tables. 2 to 12 tables. Will you do that children? In the next session I will in the Zoom class I will be asking multiplication tables orally. Understood children? Okay, we will meet in the Next session we will continue this multiplication in that class. Thank you, children.